Here's a quick video to show you how to properly use your weightlifting belt. These things are great when you're doing your heavy deadlifts or your heavy squats. They provide a lot of stability around the core and keep you safe. First thing you need is a good quality belt. If you have one, great. If you don't, this is one from Gymreapers. I love it. It works really well. I got a link right below for you if you need that. Next, you're going to take this thing and put it on. When you put it on, you need to make sure that it's up here around your belly button. The middle of this belt should be around the middle of your belly button, just like this. We don't want it down on our hips. Up here, strap it in, bring it through. Now, another mistake that people commonly make is we want this thing tight. So we're going to go in, take it nice and tight, just like that. And then when you perform your lifts, when you do those deadlifts or squats, you're going to take your core and you're going to flex out into the belt, and that's going to provide tons of stability here in your midsection, keeping you safe. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.